Yes, sir.
Okay, rating bar complete हो गया सौम्या?
हाँ सर.
And what about alert dialog box?
सर अलर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स बाकी है. एक एक्टिविटी से दूसरी एक्टिविटी में जाना हो गया है.
ठीक है. So I will start with the alert dialog box, and then I will give you I will tell you one application that you need to create. I have presented my screen. Okay, so let's go for the new project. Before that, let me open my emulator.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
I think it's visible. Is it the same for everybody?
No, sir, it is visible.
Sir, it is visible.
Okay. Those who are having maybe some network issue, maybe they can leave and join again so that the screen can be visible to you also. Okay. So the first application we are going to create two simple application, with one with the alert dialog box, the another one with seek bar. Those two control we are going to learn today, and then I will give you one application which will use both. Okay, and also the other concept, other thing, other control which you have used till now, सबका use होगा, जैसे कि button, edit text, there will be a rating bar, there will be a toast message, then there will be a from one activity to another activity navigation, and we will also add the seek bar. So everything will be the combined in the in one activity. That program I will give you to as a creation of application, वो आपको बनाना होगा in this lab. So first I will go for the alert dialog box, and then we will see the
Sir,
seek
can you
bar.
start the recording?
Okay. So let's open a new project, create a new activity, empty activity. The first I'm going for the alert dialog box. Okay, so it's creating my application. Let me close this one. Okay, I closed the. Okay, fine. Let me create a new project. Okay, before going for any application, let me show you what I want to create in application. Let me open the application if it is already available in. Okay, let's see here. So what I want, I want one button. So if I click on that button, it will create one alert dialog box like this. It will print some messages, it will print some title, and then there is a to button. So if I click on a no button, the dialog box will be cancelled. And if I click on yes button, so what will happen? Your application will be closed. So this is what I want to create for my application for alert dialog box. So let's go for that simple application so that you will understand how we can use the alert dialog box. So I have created the new project, and as we know that in that particular project, we just need one button. That's it. For designing task, we need only one button. So I'm going into resources in layout in a activity underscore main.xml file for designing purpose. As you can see here, I have there is one label is available by default, so I'm removing that. I need one button, so I drag and drop the button as well. And I also want a constraint automatically, so I'm clicking on the infer constraint here. So once that part is over, check for the ID. The by default ID will be the button B is small. So that's the ID. Now what I want first, the first step is we need to create the object of button class. Button, I'm creating the object as a btn. Then the second step that we need to do in onCreate method, we are doing linking part. So for linking, we need to write like object name equals to find view by ID. That's the method we are going to use here. And then r dot id dot button, that is the ID for our control button. So if you have given some other name, you can give that particular ID, not name, sorry, ID. So I'm creating one method which I will create. So I'm just calling it so that later on I will not forget to call it. पहले से मैं call कर दे रहा हूँ, so वो मैं भूल ना जाऊँ इसलिए. Then I'm creating that method, that is click method. ओके नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट आई वांट कि जब मैं बटन पे क्लिक करूं तो मुझे अलर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स क्रिएट करना है, बट कब करना है? जब बटन पे क्लिक करूं तो. सो फॉर दैट वी नीड टू प्रोवाइड द बटन क्लिक लिस्टनर. सो द ऑब्जेक्ट इज btn dot set on click listener. So that is what we are using till now, and now I hope you are familiar with these things. So object dot set on click listener. In the parameter, we need to pass new, that is in a small case. Then we need to type capital O, and then you will find this view dot on click listener. So once you click it, it will create one method automatically for you, that is the on create method. So whatever the code you want to write on click of button, you can write it here. And now we know that on click of button, what I want to create the alert dialog box. Okay, so for alert dialog box, the class is alert dialog dot builder that we have to use. Alert dialog dot builder that we have to use here, and we have to create the object of this class. So I'm creating the object as a builder, or whatever the name you want to give, you can give it here. Then new, and then again class name. This is what the syntax for Java. It is the same, that is class name space object name equals to new, again class name, and the parameters. And here the parameter that we have to pass is the context. So for the context, I'm using the my activity dot this. My activity, my class name is my main activity dot. So I'm using this for referring the same. The second thing which we have to do is we have to call other method on this object which we have created of alert dialog box. The object name is builder, so that I am using here. And here we will use methods like set title and set message. Set title, and I want to set a title as a quit, and I want a message that is, do you want to close app? This is what the message I want. And next thing is I want to show it. If you don't show this builder, then alert dialog box will not be shown to you. जो आपने dialog box create किया है उसमें आपने title set किया है, message set किया है, and if you don't call it, then आपका जो alert dialog box है वो show नहीं होगा. So that's why we need to call this method as well, which is show method. And let me run it so that we can check whether it's creating the alert dialog box or not. Okay, so I have a button. I have not changed its text. You can change its text like click to open alert dialog box. So when I click on the button, as you can see here, so alert dialog box is visible to us, and the title is set to quit, and the message which is set to, do you want to close this app? I forgot to give the question mark here, so that's fine. I will add it. And now what I want कि जो अलर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स है उसमें आई हैव सेट द टाइटल, आई हैव सेट द मैसेज एज वेल. व्हाट आई वांट नेक्स्ट इज आई वांट टू ऐड 2 मोर बटन. ठीक है, ये अलर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स में ही 2 बटन ऐड करने हैं. ठीक है, द वन आई वांट इज नो एंड अनदर वन आई वांट इज यस. इफ आई क्लिक ऑन अ नो, ठीक है, उस पर भी लिसनर देना होगा क्योंकि एज इट इज अ बटन वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड लिसनर. ओके, सो इफ आई क्लिक ऑन अ नो, तो क्या होना चाहिए, जो डायलॉग है, जो ये अलर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स है वो कैंसिल हो जाना चाहिए. एंड इफ आई क्लिक यस, देन ये एप्लीकेशन क्लोज हो जाना चाहिए. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. बट फर्स्ट व्हाट आई वांट कि मुझे 2 बटन चाहिए. So for adding the button, so again here you need to use the object that is the same builder object, object of alert dialog box, and here you can add the button by using set positive button. Okay, set positive button, and here you need to pass 2 parameters. The one is the text what you want on that button. तो मुझे क्या चाहिए, पहला जो बटन है उस पे नो या यस बटन चाहिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टू गिव द टेक्स्ट कि वो उस पे टेक्स्ट क्या आना चाहिए. यू कैन गिव योर वट एवर द कस्टम टेक्स्ट ऑल्सो. ठीक है, हाँ या ना ऐसा भी कुछ भी दे सकते हो, इट्स फाइन. सो हियर वी नीड टू प्रोवाइड द टाइटल फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर बटन. ठीक है, एंड नेक्स्ट इज द लिसनर वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड कि अगर मैं उस पर क्लिक करूं तो क्या होना चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाट द लिसनर. सो फॉर लिसनर वी विल राइट हियर न्यू, देन कैपिटल O. If you press capital O, then it will display dialog interface dot on click listener. Okay, once you press enter, it will create one method automatically for you which will be the on click method. वापस से रिपीट कर रहा हूं, don't worry. Builder dot set positive button. The first parameter is the text what you want on that button. The text I want is yes. And the listener, for listener, as we know that we are passing in the parameter we are passing new then capital O. The same thing we have to do here. Okay, but instead of view dot on click listener, here it will be like dialog interface dot on click listener. the same you have to select here, and it is also showing the red line here because there is a semicolon missing. So by default, if you do this, the semicolon will be missing, so you need to provide the semicolon here, and here you can write the code whatever you want to write. For now in my application, what I want कि अगर मैं set positive button पे click करता हूं तो होना क्या चाहिए कि मैंने सेट किया है कि टाइटल है कि क्विट, डू यू वांट टू क्विट दिस एप्लीकेशन, इफ आई से यस तो मुझे क्या करना है, ये एप्लीकेशन को क्लोज करना है, एंड टू क्लोज दिस आवर एप्लीकेशन वी नीड टू कॉल वन मेथड, दैट इज फिनिश मेथड. So if you call finish method, your application will be closed. The same way we have to create, we have to add one more button which is set negative button. Okay, and here we need to pass again the text and the listener. For the text I want no because I want a no button. Okay, and we have to provide the listener as well. For listener again the same thing we need to provide, that is new, and you just press capital O so that it will display the dialog interface dot on click listener. Again here it will be the semicolon will be missing, so semicolon यहाँ पे provide करना है, and whatever code you want to write you can write it here. Now in this thing कि अगर मैं नो पे क्लिक करूं, मुझे एप्लीकेशन को क्लोज नहीं करना है, इन दैट केस इफ आई क्लिक ऑन अ नो बटन तो क्या होना चाहिए, जो डायलॉग दिख रहा है दैट इज अलर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स, वो कैंसिल हो जाना चाहिए. फॉर दैट यू कैन सी हियर द डायलॉग के लिए यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया है, so that you can use here, that is dialog dot cancel. Okay, so dialog dot cancel you can use here to cancel that particular dialog or dialog box, alert dialog box. Okay, let me run this so that you can get an idea what we want and what we have performed till now. So there is one button, as you can see here, when I click on that button it is showing me the alert dialog box, and in alert dialog box there is a title, there is a message, and there are two buttons as well. So when I click on a no button, so as you can see here what we have written in the code in a listener, that dialog box will be cancelled. So when I click on the button no, this dialog box will be cancelled, and if I click on yes button, so what will happen, as you know that we have written finish, so that's why the application will be closed. So this is what the alert dialog box which we want to create right now. Okay, so everybody please create this alert dialog box, repeating again everything. So in the starting we need to add one button, इसका text भी change कर देते हैं, open alert dialog box. Okay, so there is one button, उसका जैसे ही आप drag and drop करो, please click on this info constraint so that the constraint will be automatically added. ID you have to set, then go for the main activity, create the object of button, then do the linking part, create some method. If you don't want to create, it's fine, whatever the code you have written in this side you can directly write it, but this is what the good way I'm just recommending you to create different methods and write the code inside that method so that you can reuse it. Okay, so right now I have created one method, and in that we have created the one object of alert dialog dot builder so that we can set different methods. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद हमने set किया title, then we have set the message, then we have added two button, one is positive button, another one is negative button, and here we have set in the parameter, we have set the text for that particular button, yes and no, and here you need to, in the second parameter you need to pass the listener. So you just need to type new and capital O, then it will show you in the suggestion box. And once it is done, if you want to click, if you want to close your application, you can call this method, that is finish. If you want to cancel your dialog box, you can use here the dialog. Maybe in my case it is dialog written, maybe in your case the object name can be different, so that object name whatever it is written here, that you have to use here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मेरे में डायलॉग लिखा है, मे बी आपके केस में कुछ अलग हो, तो वो डायलॉग आपका जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट है वही आपको यूज करना है, एंड यू जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक द अदर, यू नीड टू कॉल अदर मेथड विच इज कैंसिल, तो डायलॉग कैंसिल हो जाएगा. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू कॉल दिस show method, otherwise your alert dialog box will not be shown to you. Please try it. Once it is done, please write in a chat that it is done, so that we can go for another activity, or another application. Okay, Mit. On the others, please also write the message in a comment section if it is completed. If not, you can try. Okay, got 4 more reply from Jay, Vivek, Karan, Nisarg. Till now on the 8 response out of 89. In any case, if you think that if I'm going a little bit faster, you can tell me. We can go slower also. So first of all, if we think about here, the first is this is what the screen I have. The another screen which will be, sorry, there will be to edit text, and there will be button as well. Okay, here it will be image view. Here there will be some information about you, and there will be rating bar here. Okay, sorry. And there will be one button here. So those who have completed explaining what application you have to create. The first one is here, it will be the username. Here it will be the password. And you have to give some fixed username and password. And here it will be the button that will be login button. So when I click on the login button, if username and password is correct, I'm saying if it is correct, in that case you need to show not toast message, but you have to show the alert dialog box. Alert dialog box में आपको print करना है that username and password correct or is correct. And here it will be other message also. It will show that do you want to go to the next activity, and there will be two button, yes and no button. Okay, repeating again, username and password है वो आपको फिक्स देने हैं. बटन पे क्लिक करना है. अगर यूजरनेम एंड पासवर्ड करेक्ट है तो आपको वो डायलॉग अलर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स शो करना चाहिए. उसमें बताएगा username and password is correct or login successful. Do you want to go to the next activity? If it is saying yes, then वो इस एक्टिविटी पे आना चाहिए. If it is saying no, then वो यही एक्टिविटी पे आना चाहिए एंड अलर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स कैंसिल हो जाना चाहिए जो अभी हमने देखा. एंड सपोज इफ इट इज नो, मतलब यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड गलत है. इफ दिस इज केस व्हेन इट इज यस, मतलब सक्सेसफुल है, तब की बात ये है. एंड इफ इट इज नो, देन यू जस्ट नीड टू प्रिंट सम अलर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स दैट यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड इज रॉन्ग एंड वी डोंट रिक्वायर एनी बटन. यस और नो बटन नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ डिस्प्ले करना है मैसेज कि यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड इज रॉन्ग. ठीक है. एंड if it is correct and if we are redirected to the next activity, if we click on the yes button, तो यहाँ पे आपका फोटो आ जाना चाहिए. ठीक है. देन यहाँ पे आपका नाम आना चाहिए. यहाँ पे आपका रोल नंबर, मतलब यहाँ पे ये तो सिर्फ रोल नंबर लिखा होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे आपका नाम और यहाँ पे आपका रोल नंबर आना चाहिए. एंड हियर यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड द रेटिंग बार. ओके, यहाँ पे 3 या 5 स्टार आप ऐड कर सकते हो. एंड इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस बटन, ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक बटन रखना है. अगर इस बटन पे अगर आप क्लिक करते हो तो उस टाइम पे आपको क्या प्रिंट करना है? यू नीड टू प्रिंट द टोस्ट मैसेज. आई एम सेइंग टोस्ट मैसेज में क्या प्रिंट होना चाहिए? आपका नाम प्रिंट होना चाहिए. लेट्स से आई एम सेइंग जनार्दन, दैट्स माय नेम. सो जनार्दन गिव, यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? जितना स्टार सिलेक्टेड है वो नंबर यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. लेट्स से जनार्दन गिव 3 स्टार रेटिंग और गिव 3 स्टार. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली वी नीड टू प्रिंट द फीडबैक. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे स्टार जो भी है, जितने भी स्टार्स है वो सिलेक्ट होगा. जितने भी स्टार सिलेक्टेड है, जैसे ही बटन पे क्लिक करोगे तो आप जो भी यूजर है उसका नाम आना चाहिए. उसके बाद गिव एंड कितने रेटिंग दिए हैं वो यहाँ पे आना चाहिए एज अ टोस्ट मैसेज. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. रिपीटिंग एवरीथिंग अगेन. यूजर नेम, पासवर्ड. If you click on login, if it is successful, it will show you that alert dialog box that username and password is correct. And there is a 2 button if you want to go on to the next activity or not. If you click yes, it will redirect to the next activity. If you click no, तो dialog box cancel हो जाना चाहिए. If it is no, then you can directly print some message in alert dialog box. I am saying username and or password is wrong. एंड ऑन द सेकेंड एक्टिविटी यहाँ पे आपका इमेज होना चाहिए, मतलब फोटो आना चाहिए. if you already know the image view concept, ठीक है, अगर बताया है तो मैम ने, अगर नहीं है then it's fine, no need to add that, just add the name label, roll number label, and यहाँ पे आप statically print कर दो आपका नाम. I'm not saying you need to pass some data from here to here, no, statically print कर दो label के अंदर, and take here the rating bar. जैसे ही जो भी रेटिंग आप सिलेक्ट करते हो उसके बाद ऐसा मैसेज प्रिंट होना चाहिए, व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन बटन दैट पर्टिकुलर यूजर गिव दिस मैनी स्टार्स और दिस 3 स्टार 5 स्टार व्हाटएवर द स्टार इट इज गिवन एज अ फीडबैक, वो आपको एज अ टोस्ट मैसेज प्रिंट करना है. सो दिस इज व्हाट द application in which there are 2 activities are there that you have to create but after this application. Let's see the seek bar first. And those who have completed seek bar, they can try that particular application which I told you just now. I take a new project. Okay, so here we need to add in the resources. I'm going into XML file. First, I'm going for the designing our application. In our application, what I want, I don't want the labels. First of all, so I have removed that label. The second thing, what we want is the seek bar. So for seek bar, I'm going into widget in the palette. You can find or you can search also seek bar SEEK bar. Okay, seek bar. I'm dragging and dropping here. I'm making it bigger, and I want one text view as well. टेक्स्ट व्यू में क्या प्रिंट होगा, उसका प्रोग्रेस प्रिंट होगा. So let's click on info constraint and let's check whether it's looking okay or not while running. This is not my application, this is previous one. So it's running, you can see here. Okay, it is not showing me. Okay, fine, no problem. Let me give the constraint manually. Let me remove all the constraint from here. Okay, let me run it again. So here I have given the manual constraint, and now you can see the output. It's showing me the seek bar. So if you don't know what is the seek bar, basically you have used that seek bar in a while you are using your Android device, like to increase or decrease the brightness, or sometimes to change some settings, or while even increasing or decreasing the volume. At that time you have used this seek bar. So basically it's nothing but seek bar. ठीक है, आपने वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज डिक्रीज करने के लिए या फिर ब्राइटनेस बढ़ाने घटाने के लिए आपने यूज किया होगा इसको. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई वांट कि सीक बार में पहले चेक कर लेता हूं मैं उसका आईडी. इट इज सीक बार हियर. in the label, again the text view is the ID, and for now I just want the text view itself. Okay, now I'm going into Java file. In the Java file, what I want, as we have a two controls, we have to create the object of each and every classes or the control which we have in a design part. And as we know that we have a seek bar, so I'm creating the object of seek bar here. I'm taking the object name as SB. You can take another name also. Then the next is I have a text view. So as we are creating the object, the syntax we already know, that is the class name space the object name. And in Android or in a Java, whenever you write the class name, the first letter always be a capital. Okay, वो capital ही होगा. And in case of method, the first letter will be small case, but next word first letter will be the capital one. So for text view object, I am taking as a TV. You can take another also, it's fine. Now I am doing the linking part. Sorry, find view by ID. So this is the method we need to write. r.id.seek bar, then text view equals to find view by ID, r.id.text view. You just check your ID of each and every control. Okay, अगर आपको नहीं पता, you just click and check the ID property of it. Okay, if you want to check for text view, again click here and check the ID property. Then in a Java file, what we want, I want to create one method which I will calling right now. मैं उसको कॉल कर दे रहा हूँ अभी से, so that I don't forget it. Public void click. Okay, next thing what I want, that is I don't have any button तो है नहीं, सिर्फ मेरे पास क्या है, एक सीक बार है और एक टेक्स्ट व्यू है. तो बेसिकली मुझे करना क्या है कि जब भी मैं ये जो सीक बार है उसको मैं जैसे ही चेंज करता हूँ, once I change the seek bar, तो for example initially it is, let's say the maximum value is 100, तो वो 100 में से अभी तक कितनी प्रोग्रेस किया है वो हमें प्रिंट करना है. ठीक है, let's say the maximum is 100, you can change it, that is the by default one, the by default maximum progress is 100. suppose if I am changing here, तो वो जो प्रोग्रेस है वो प्रिंट होना चाहिए, बट कहाँ पे प्रिंट होना चाहिए, टेक्स्ट व्यू में. लेट मी शो यू वन एग्जांपल. not this one. Yes, you can see here the example. So if I select this seek bar, and you can see here the right now progress is what, 0 out of 50, because I have set the maximum value as a 50, so that's why it's showing the 50 here, but the by default one is 100. Okay, that we will see. But what I want, when I change, then this progress should also change. You can see. So what I am doing right now, whenever the progress is changed, I am setting this text view, and जो भी उसका progress है वो value मैं यहाँ पे print कर रहा हूँ. That's it. This is what I am doing. And another thing, this is what the maximum value, that is also I want to print. And these are the some static string. Static में क्या है, progress है, colon है, out of है, वो सारा एक string है. ठीक है, value क्या change हो रहा है, यहाँ पे change हो रहा है. And this is what the last one is, the maximum value, that is what I have, or that is what I want in a text view. मुझे, मैं क्या करूंगा, text view को set कर दूंगा. ठीक है, कैसे करते हैं वो देखते हैं. So but अब समझ में आ गया होगा आपको. I hope that what we want. So first of all what I want, कि जो text view है वो मुझे set करना है, but कब करना है, जब वो progress में आए तब, जैसे वो change हो तब. So for that there is one listener. If you just click, if you just type here the SB, that is our seek bar object, and you just write set on seek bar change listener. This is what the listener that we have to use. If we change the seek bar progress, at that time this listener will be called. So SB in my case is the object of seek bar, so I'm using that dot set on seek bar change listener. So that is what the listener I'm using here if we want to do something, if the seek bar is changing. एंड द सेम वे जैसे हम लोग बटन क्लिक लिस्नर में यूज करते थे वैसे ही यहाँ पे यूज करना है. दैट इज वी नीड टू पास न्यू, देन अगेन ऑन क्लिक लिस्नर, दैट इज seek bar dot on seek bar change listener, not click listener but change listener. And once you do it, here you will find the 3 methods which will be create automatically for you. Okay, on seek bar change listener अगर आप provide करते हो listener, then it will create 3 method for you. If you want I can show you again also. So let me remove these things again. Let me type it again. SB is the object of seek bar, then set on seek bar change listener. In a parameter we need to pass new, then we need to type capital O here, press enter. Once you press enter, it will create 3 method for you. The one is on progress changed, another one is on start tracking touch, and the third one is on stop tracking touch. So whenever you start changing the seek bar, तो वो ये मेथड को कॉल करेगा. जैसे ही आप स्टॉप कर दोगे मूव करना उसको, तो वो ये मेथड को कॉल करेगा. एंड व्हेनेवर इट इज इन प्रोग्रेस, तो वो इस मेथड को कॉल करेगा. सो देयर आर 3 मेथड्स. वंस द सीक बार इन प्रोग्रेस, वंस इट इज स्टार्टिंग, जैसे ही स्टार्ट करोगे मूव करना तब वो कॉल होगा, स्टॉप करोगे तब भी कॉल हो सकता है. सो देयर आर 3 मेथड्स. Based on your requirement, you can write the code accordingly. So what I want right now कि जैसे ही वो प्रोग्रेस में हो तो उसकी प्रोग्रेस मुझे प्रिंट करनी है. That's the thing I want to do here. So for doing the same thing, we need a text view object. In my case, it is TV is already available here. So I'm writing TV dot set text because मुझे जो text view है उसी में सब कुछ प्रिंट करना है. And here I am writing the same thing, that is progress. Then I need a colon, and then I have to print something. ठीक है, अगर मुझे प्रोग्रेस प्रिंट करना है, then there is one way also. If you are in this method, you can use this progress variable also. ठीक है, ये वेरिएबल भी आप यूज कर सकते हो, या फिर आप ऑब्जेक्ट डॉट गेट प्रोग्रेस नाम की मेथड भी यूज कर सकते हो फॉर गेटिंग द करंट प्रोग्रेस. ठीक है, जो भी रन टाइम पे जो प्रोग्रेस चेंज हो रही है वो प्रोग्रेस इस वेरिएबल में अंदर स्टोर हो जाती है. सो लेट्स से इफ इट इज 1 देन 2, तो जो भी चेंजेस होते हैं रन टाइम पे वो चेंजेस इस वेरिएबल में आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, and if you want to print that, then you can use this variable, or you can use some other method also, that is the object dot get progress. Okay, so right now I'm using this progress variable, and again I want to print some static text, that is out of, and then I need the maximum value. So for maximum value, I am again using the seek bar object and get max. So this is what the method I'm using. Here it is showing the error because of I have not added the plus for concatenation. Okay, so progress, that's a static. Then I have printed here the progress. Instead of this, you can also write this thing, that is sb dot get progress. तो इससे क्या मिलेगा, जो भी प्रोग्रेस हो रही है वो यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगी. एंड आउट ऑफ sb डॉट गेट मैक्स, तो यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगी, यहाँ पे आपकी प्रोग्रेस होगी. एंड ये सब कुछ हम कहाँ पे सेट कर रहे हैं, इन अ टेक्स्ट व्यू. सो वी आर सेटिंग द टेक्स्ट व्यू टेक्स्ट दैट इज प्रोग्रेस, एंड जो भी रन टाइम पे प्रोग्रेस आएगा वो यहाँ पे आप प्रिंट करोगे, एंड आउट ऑफ द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. So for getting the maximum value, you can just call one method, that is get max. Or to getting the progress, we have to call this method, which is get progress. Or instead of this, if you are in this method, you can directly use this variable also for printing the progress, current progress. Let's try to run it. So as you can see here, this is what our output. So basically in the starting it is not showing me the progress. The reason is what? Because whenever this seek bar is changed, at that time only this will be called, and at that time only whenever it is in a progress, it will print this thing in a text view. ठीक है, तो अभी तो मैंने उसको चेंज किया ही नहीं है, so that's why it is not showing. But if you want to show, we can show it. Okay, but for now let's change it, and you can see the changes. And as you can see here, the by default value is what? 100, and here it is also showing the progress. So by default one is 100. That property also you can change. And what is the other thing that I have to change is, in the starting when I load my application, at that time also I want a 0 progress. अगर ठीक है, अगर चाहिए तो हम लोग वो प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. So let's first change the maximum property, okay, of seek bar. Just select the seek bar, search for the property that is max, and in the max property here you can change the default one, which is 100. Let's say I'm giving 50, or let's say I'm giving 25. Okay, so I have changed it. And one more thing I have to do, that ये जो हमने किया है वही हम लोग, whenever I open my activity, at that time also I want to print this thing. Okay, तो जैसे ही वो ये एक लिंक हो जाएगा, उसके बाद तुरंत ही आपको वो टेक्स्ट व्यू में सेट हो जाएगा, so that whenever you open your activity, at that time also this progress will be shown to you. अगर ये लाइन नहीं लिखते तो इनिशियली नहीं दिखेगा. when you change the seek bar, at that time only you can see the changes or the progress, actual progress of seek bar. So now I have done the two changes. The one change is the maximum value I have changed it to 25, and another one is in the starting I have printed this thing. So you can see here the changes. Okay, first of all complete this one, and then I'm giving you one more practical of seek bar. ठीक है, या तो फिर ऐसा ही करो, इसको मत करो, या फिर अगर आप if you want to try this one, you can try this one. What I want कि जैसे ही यहाँ पे 25 maximum is what? 25. What I want, once it reach 5, I want to change the color of activity, and once I reach the 10, so every after 5 progress, जैसे कि 5, 10, 15, 20, at all 4 progress I want to change my activity color, background color चाहिए, change करना है, and when I reach the 25, उस टाइम पे मेरा एप्लीकेशन क्लोज हो जाना चाहिए. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. ओके, सो व्हाट आई वांट, अभी वो 0 है, ठीक है, 0 पे जैसे ही 5 पे आता है तो इसका पूरा कलर चेंज हो जाना चाहिए. जैसे ही उसके बाद वो 10 पे आए तो अगेन कलर चेंज हो जाना चाहिए, दूसरा कलर. देन 15 पे कलर चेंज होना चाहिए, एंड 20 पे जैसे रीच करूं मैं, या फिर लास्ट 20 में भी कलर चेंज होना चाहिए. जैसे ही मैं 25 पे रीच करूं, दैट इज द लास्ट, then what I want कि ये application close हो जाना चाहिए. This is what I want in a seek bar for now. And if you want to try this one, you can try first this thing, and later on you can try whatever the practical I have given. Again, for the revision purpose, I'm showing you what I have done. There are two control which I have used. The one is seek bar, another one is text view. Check its text property. Also give the constraint, which is infer constraint, or manually, whatever is feasible for you, you can do it. Then go to in a Java file, create two object, then do the linking part. Okay, and at the starting only, if you want to set the progress, you can write this line of code. And if you want to do it on a progress, then if you want to create this method, you can create, or you can directly write this code in this on create also. Okay, so whenever you want to change something, you have to call this listener, that is set on seek bar change listener. And once you do it, it will create three method for you. One is on progress, one is on starting track, on start tracking touch, and on stop tracking touch. So if you want to check whether this one working fine or not, so क्या कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे आप toast message print करवा सकते हो. ठीक है. So whenever you start dragging that particular seek bar, at that time this method will be called. अगर आप चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे टोस्ट मैसेज प्रिंट कर दो. जैसे ही आप ड्रैग करना स्टार्ट करोगे तो आपको टोस्ट मैसेज आ जाएगा. एंड वंस यू स्टॉप इट, देन आल्सो दिस मेथड विल बी कॉल्ड. तो यहाँ पे कुछ मैसेज प्रिंट करवा दो, यहाँ पे कुछ मैसेज प्रिंट करवा दो, तो यू विल गेट टू नो दैट व्हेन दिस पर्टिकुलर मेथड विल बी कॉल्ड. ये तो कॉल हो जाएगा व्हेनेवर इट इज चेंजिंग, बट दिस व्हेनेवर इट इज स्टार्टिंग, इफ यू स्टार्ट ड्रैगिंग इट, तुरंत ही वो टोस्ट मैसेज को प्रिंट कर देगा. मतलब कि ये मेथड कॉल हो जाती है जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो ड्रैग करना, और जैसे ही स्टॉप हो जाओगे ये मेथड कॉल हो जाएगी. Okay, this is for just checking purpose. If you want to try, you can try this one also. Just two methods we need to know. One is get progress, another one is get max for seek bar. Get progress is for getting the current progress of seek bar, and get max is for getting the maximum value. I'm taking your attendance, but at 2:25 you need to leave, not right now. Okay, so you may can leave now and you can join now the DA expert talk, the subject of expert talk. Please join right now. Okay, all are requested to please join the expert talk of DA subject. Okay, thank you.